back to Coding Freaks. So in this session we are going to see about Python modules. So what is a module and why we need modules? What is the advantage of the modules? So we should know all about this. So module is nothing but it is a part of the program or part of the coding. So why we need modules is, as a programmer can develop the whole code, but it will lead to the confusion or it will lead to the more bugs while they are developing a lot of code. So if it is split into parts of the codes like a simple program, then it is easy to debug the code as well as it is easy to implement also. So that is why we need the modules. So let us get into that one by one. So what is a module? Just now we have seen. Module refers to a file containing Python statements and definitions. We'll have statements and definitions, that is what the program. We use modules to break down large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Furthermore, modules provide reusability of code also. This is the advantage of the module. So the code can be reusable whenever we want. We can reuse the code. This we have seen in functions, right? Reusability. What is our reusability and all we have seen in functions. Then we can define our most used functions in a module and we can import it. So how to import it we will see now. Next, instead of copying the definitions into different programs, so instead of copying the definitions into different programs, we can import a module and then we can use that module without writing the body or without writing the lines of code. Then how to import modules in Python? It is very simple that by using import keyword, we can import a module. So we can import the definitions inside a module to another module or to interactive interpreter in Python. Just by using the import keyword, we will import the modules. So consider a simple example like how you have developed a calculator app, or you have developed then simple operators like addition, subtraction, all operators, and you will put it in a module and you will import while you are doing the calculator. So in one program, in one module you will write like addition, subtraction, you will perform addition and subtraction, and while you are developing the calculator module in the other program, so you will use the add and subtraction in that module by using import keyword. So let us see how to create Python module. If you are using the different browser, if you are using the different operating systems, how can you do? So this is in Linux operating system. So if you want to change the directory, then you will use cd desktop. And if you want to create a directory, make a directory with a name CALC. So this is what my project, or this is what my program. So here I am using make directory CALC, and then I am changing the directory to cd CALC, and I am using init.py. So what is this init? We have already seen in our previous sessions. So this is a program name. So this is how you can create a module, like how to create like in Windows operating system. Like just you will open the file and you will use like .py, just like creating a simple program. Just you will open the file and then you will write pyramid.py. Here I have used pyramid.py. That's it. With this file name you can write. So let me try with this. So here I have given a simple example with my module.py. So let me write this. So here what I am using here, what I am doing here is I am writing a simple function, definition, greeting name, print hello plus name. So here I am using a simple function with pyramid.py, pyramid.py. Here I have already saved it, so I will continue with this. So this is how you will save a file, pyramid.py. So how can you save and all we have seen in our first session, right? So you can save with us whatever the name .py, and then you can import. How to use this module? So if you want to use this module, now you can use this module we just created by using the import statement. So here I have created with the import statement, import my module, greetings from coding tricks. So here I am using the one which we have created it. So I will copy this, then I will open this. So I will create one more file. Let me create one more file of Python. New Python file. So let me create with my module now. My module dot py. So I will create now my module. So now I will transfer this code to my module, that it will like what I have taught. So now I am going to import the statement here. I am going to import whatever I have told here. So I will open this and then I am going to import. See here, I am going to import my module. That means whichever I have written here, I am going to import this code. So import my module, and I want to get this hello plus name, right? So here I want to get this hello greetings from coding tricks. So in place of name, I want to access this value as a parameter. So my module dot greetings. So greetings is the function name of this module. So the function. So my module is the module name, and dot greetings is the function name, and I am passing the value here. Greetings from coding tricks. So let me run this. What you will get, see, hello, greetings from coding tricks. That means here I have written actual function. If I want to write like a big program, so I will write here addition and subtraction program, and here if I am implementing the calculator program, in the calculator I want addition, subtraction, multiplication, all those things, right? So I will import just addition and subtraction from the other module which I have written, and I will use here. So it is very easy, right? Instead of writing all the code again and again, I will use that simple code here just by using import keyword. So if I have written here a lot of code, I can import with a simple statement called import followed by module name, and I can access the function with my module. That means module name dot function name, whichever the function you want, you will use that function. That's it. So this is about the how to use a module. So when you are using from a module, we use a syntax module underscore name dot function underscore name, like that. So this is how. Next, variables in module. So what are the variables in the module is, so the module can contain functions as already described. We have already done with the functions just now. but also variables of all types, like it will allow arrays, dictionaries, objects, and all. So here I have given a simple example. So here you can see the dictionary. So it is key value pair, right? So whenever we have seen the key value pair, we will think that it is a dictionary. So here I have created the dictionary, and I will use my module.py, and okay, let me copy this in my module.py. So instead of function, I'm going to write here dictionaries, and I will import this dictionaries here. Sorry, this dictionary here. So I will write here my module.person1, whatever the name here, I will write here, and then I can access. So here I'm using import the module name, my module, and access the person1 dictionary. So I'm going to access the person1 values here. So here I'm importing this, and I'm using the person1 age. I want to print the person1 age from this module. So from this module, the person1 age is 36, right? So here I will write my module dot person1, the dictionary name. And if I want to access the age, here I will write age, and I will keep that in a variable a, and I'm going to print that variable a. So I'm going to print the value a. So you will get 36. So if you want the name, so what you will write here? Name. Instead of age, you will write name. That's it. Very simple. So this is how you can use the dictionaries. Even you can use arrays, objects, and all. So how to name a module? Naming a module. So you can name the module file whatever you like, but it must have the file extension .py, as we have seen now. So how to rename a module? So by mistake we have created some module, and how to give the alias name and how to rename it, we can see now. So you can create an alias name also when you are importing a module itself by using as keyword. So by using the as keyword, you can create the alias name. So alias name is nothing but the other name of that. So like you will have one name, like some name, and your mother will call with some nickname. So that is what the alias name of you. So like that, you can import the module, and you can give the other name of the module also. So here my module name is my module, and I'm going to give the alias name as mx. So see here, it will work or it won't work. So here I'm going to give as mx, and I'm accessing the value of age from the my module. So let me run this. So yes, I got it, 36. So you can give the alias name also by using the keyword as. Import my module as mx, and here I'm using mx.person1. This is how you can give the alias name. So coming to the built-in modules of that, so there are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. So we have seen with so many built-in functions also, right? So coming to the built-in modules, here I'm going to tell you a simple one. So here I'm going to import a simple module called import platform. So this is already the built-in module. So we will see this. So import platform, it's equal to platform.system. See what you have the in-built-in module. So it is Windows. What is the platform that you are using is Windows. So I'm using Windows. That is a platform. So coming to dir. So we have already seen about the dir, right? So dir will give what are the directories, what are the functions, what are the things you have. So it will show you that. So let me see this dir platform. So dir of platform. So I'm going to see these are all the directories that I have in the dir platform function. These are all blank. These are all the things. So next, coming to the next one, import from module. What is import from module? How can you import from the modules? So you can choose to import only parts from a module by using from keyword. So just now we have seen all the things which we have imported. So we can also import part of the modules also. How can you import a part of the modules? So let me copy this. So here what I am doing, here I am writing the function as well as I am writing the dictionaries. I am going to write it in my module. So here I have written with the combination all the two, function and dictionary. Then I am going to import, see here I am going to import from my module. So here I am going to import from my module, import person1, print person1 of age. So here this is so when we are having the two things, so here I am having the function and as well as I am having the dictionary. I am importing the dictionary only. So in that case, whether it will work or not, you can see. So how can you import here is, you should use from keyword, from the module name, followed by import, followed by the dictionary name. This is what the dictionary name we have written here, right? So see here the output 36. So this is how you will get the import function from the keyword. You will get with this. So next is, you can also import from. So this is one of the example. This is another example. So I am going to import already existing one from math. This is already in the built-in one. Import square root. So I am going to ask print square root of like 4. Print square root of 4. So this is how I will ask. I will try to execute this. I will get 2.0. This is how you can use so many functions you have, like factorial. From the math function we have already seen in the built-in functions, whatever the functions we have, right? So from the math function, whatever the functions you have, like square root, exponential, factorial, whatever the things you have, you can use that things and you can implement it. So import all names. So whatever you have, if you want to import all the names, so you will use import star. From my module, import star. So from math, I am going to import star. From math, I am going to import star. So you will get like this. So here what I have done, from math, import star and print my name is name, right? So let us try with this. Let us try with this example. From my module, import star. So here I have used from math import star, right? So let me import the value of pi from here. So print the value of pi is the value of pi. So here I am going to import the value of pi from the math function. So let me run this code. Yes, here I got it. 3.1459. This is the value of the pi. So here I am importing from math function and import star. Here I am not importing like pi or a square root or anything. Just I'm importing star. That's it. That means whatever I want I can use here. So next let us see some built-in things like random built-in modules, random and all. So we'll see this. Copy this. So here I am importing a random and I am going to print the AR of random. That means what you can expect, whatever the directories you have, you will get that from this. So these are all the things you are going to get from this random function. So next here I am going to import math module. From the math module I am going to print math dot square root of 25 like this. So just now we have used pi, right? Print math dot pi, that means you will get the value. Print math dot degrees from this. Then next print math dot radians. 60 degrees equal to 1.04 radians. So these all the things you can implement with the help of this random function. Whatever the things you want you can implement. These all the things just I have done for you. You can try yourself. So converting a number of seconds to date object. So just it is print date dot from timestamp. Like this. It can convert. So you will use print time dot time like this. So this is how you can do. So you see here import date time. You can import the time and date and you can print the date. From date time import date. So you will import the time. So you will get the timestamp. Then here I have used list. Print random dot choice of list from this. So like this you can import the modules and then you can import the methods which you want from the main function, from the directory. All these things you can do. So this is about the modules. So still some more modules are there that you will see in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.